In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Calendly link. Whether you're scheduling meetings, coordinating with clients, or just making your availability easier to share, knowing how to quickly access and send your Calendly link is a must-have skill. Calendly is a simple yet powerful scheduling tool that saves time by eliminating the back and forth of finding the perfect meeting slot. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Now, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, log into your Calendly account using your email and password. If you're already signed in, the system will take you straight to your personal dashboard. This dashboard is your control center. It gives you an overview of all your upcoming and past meetings, making it a great place to stay organized. Next, take a look at the section that displays your scheduled meetings. This is where you'll find a list of all your upcoming appointments. Scroll through the list to locate the specific meeting you want to share with someone. Once you've identified the meeting, you'll notice a button right next to it labeled Copy Link. Go ahead and click that Copy Link button. What this does is automatically copy the meeting link to your clipboard, so you don't have to manually highlight or type it out. It's a quick and hassle-free way to ensure the link is ready to be shared without any extra steps. This saves time and reduces the chance of making mistakes when copying the link. Now that the link is copied, it's time to share it. Open your preferred communication platform. This could be email, a messaging app, a text message, or even a professional workspace tool like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Once you've opened the platform, go to the message field where you'd like to send the link. Simply paste the link into the message field by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Finally, send the message to the intended recipient or recipients. By doing this, you're making it easy for others to book time with you or access the meeting details directly. It's a simple yet effective way to streamline your communication and ensure no one misses out on important information. And that's it. You've just learned how to locate, copy, and share your Calendly link effortlessly. With this method, you can quickly share your availability or meeting details with anyone, saving both you and your contacts valuable time. If you have questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.